Hello affiliate marketers, welcome to my review video on AICB Profitz. This is an online app where with one click you can generate free traffic and done for you Clickbank money sites. This package comes preloaded with fresh daily reviews and 100% fully done for you website, nothing else to do, and all of this for a one-time payment of $10 to generate thousands and thousands of dollars. Some flashy sales screenshots. Alright, so let's check it out and see what's on the inside. So here is the dashboard for AICB Profitz, and basically what you're getting is a review site with your affiliate links and everything added. You don't actually own the site, and everyone has the same exact site, so that's not good for SEO. Anyways, here is a preview of your review site. It is definitely not as flashy as the sales page for AICB Profitz. It's very minimalistic, not very professional looking at all, and there's also like errors. The images are not even loading up, and these are quite old products as well, 2 years ago. Let me zoom in a little bit. So you can see here 2 years ago. So all these are cookie cutter sites, and remember the sales page says daily reviews of new Clickbank products. Well, that was a lie. Here it is, 2 years ago, the latest products. And let's check out a sample product review. So here is a one of those products, Diddly Pay review, and as you can see, it is not very mobile friendly, and there's a bunch of errors. It's a very badly designed product with a very flashy sales page. So that's pretty much what you're getting, this cookie cutter affiliate review site, and you don't owe anything. If this site goes down, all of your earning, if any, goes down. There's really nothing unique about this, and the potential to actually make anything is very low. So that is what you get. Okay, I hope this helps. Thanks for viewing. Be sure to subscribe to How to Webmaster for more reviews and tips and tutorials on affiliate marketing. Thanks so much.